So I think the first challenge that I have seen small and medium businesses facing in this area is just to get started. Because the area is so vast when you look at everything from data and AI. There are so many things that are happening. I think businesses really get overwhelmed about where to start. And that's perfectly understandable, because if they make a wrong start, if they actually start investing a lot of time and money in effort, which is not going to give them the results, probably they would be doing projects for a year, burn a few $100,000 and not getting any output out of it. So I think that's the key challenge as to where do we really get started. And I'm sure that a lot of these businesses are looking at the various opportunities, they are hearing about what's happening, talking to people, but then when they go back and look at all the data that's sitting in their organization, it's like, what do I really do with the data? Where do I even begin? The second related challenge is probably the focus on tools and techniques rather than the end objective of these initiatives. But then what is important is that there has to be very well-defined business objectives to use these tools. And I think that's where small and medium businesses need support in terms of thinking through the business objectives, which can then be supported by data and AI in their space. So they know that they are sitting with all the data. They know what are the key objectives that they need to achieve as a business. It's just connecting the two. And once that happens, then actually we can prioritize the initiatives for them and get started with the ones which require the minimum effort and maximum impact, start creating success stories for them, and hence what I call as the return on data can be maximized for them.